Hey everyone, okay, so today is the best of eyeshadow palettes for 2020. So let's make a start. Okay, so first up, by Terry. This is the beautiful VIP Expert Paris Monomore palette, and it is incredibly beautiful. Wait till you see inside. You get the brush, let me remove that so you can see these incredible colors. They are just exquisite. And By Terry eyeshadow palettes feature some of the most beautifully refined formulas that you can currently find in eyeshadows. They're incredible. So let's do some swatches so you can see these gorgeous colors on my face. So I'm going to use my finger. We're going to apply the matte shade to the skin, and then we're going to move on. And the way these formulas work is that they offer this incredible, subtle, beautiful, refined formula of color. And if you use the code Wayne20, you can receive, oh, that color is beautiful. You can receive 20% off By Terry products. And these just glide on so beautifully. I mean, look at that color. That is just extraordinary. Another one right down here. And you can see the kind of blendability of these colors, which is really, really beautiful. And the matte shades just very lightly kind of caress the skin. I mean, look, granted, you're not going to be applying them to your face, but you know I like to do face swatches. It's my thing, what can I say? But the palette is incredible. You get a wonderful amount of product. There's 1.3 grams of product in each well here. And again, the color combination is something that you can wear during the day or really vamp it up for evening look. It's just a wonderful palette. And don't forget, use the code Wayne20 to get 20% off your By Terry products. Next up, obviously, it's me, the Wayne Goss eyeshadow palettes in Imperial, Topaz, and Pearl Moonstone. These palettes are incredible. They give you a beautiful, beautiful formula. The shimmers in these are designed to reflect light, not texture, not wrinkles. You have these celestial shades, which are these two bottom ones, these two incredible, beautiful colors that just dance with light on the skin, and the mattes are beautifully soft on the skin. I'm so proud of these, obviously not just because they're mine, but because of the time and effort it took to create these. Okay, so next up we have the wonderful Natasha Denona. Now mine are depotted. I put these in a palette. Incredible shadows. They're pigmented, they're soft, they're beautiful on the skin, and they're just very easy to work with. And I just keep mine in these palettes. Pat McGrath, again, I depot mine because the palettes are just way too heavy. But here they are. Pat McGrath eyeshadows are incredible. The formula is really, really beautiful. They're rich, they're pigmented, they're very easy to blend. There's not a lot to dislike about the Pat McGrath eyeshadows. They are incredible. Charlotte Tilbury. So Charlotte Tilbury does make some of the best eyeshadows, there's no doubt. They're beautiful, the formulas are lovely, the mattes work great, the shimmers are great, and the celestial shades are an absolute joy. I love celestial shades, that's why I have them in my palettes, and I love them in others. Dose of color, incredible, incredible eyeshadows. Very, very pigmented, beautiful color combinations. They work so well, and a great range of cool and warm tones. Next up, this is an incredible palette by YouTuber extraordinaire Genevieve, and this is an incredible palette. Now, not only do you get a massive 3.1 grams of product in each shade, it's a very wearable palette. Lots of colors to choose from. The black, which is just essential, and these beautiful shimmers. This palette is so good, and it is such a pleasure to get a palette like this. It is a great palette. And finally, a brand that I never speak about very much anymore, and that's the Tom Ford eyeshadows. They still are incredible. This is Last Dance. Incredible eyeshadow palettes. They really kind of set the bar back in the day for quality when it came to eyeshadows. And they're still incredible. Very expensive, but really incredible. There you go, that is my favorite palettes of 2020. Of course, there are many, many others, but I wanted to condense it to a very small but excellent collection. And don't forget to use the code Wayne20 to get 20% off the gorgeous By Terry products. All the information is in the description bar. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.